Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McGovern RT Hyundai, we have the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy. I have never driven the new Santa Fe. I've seen them on the road. I just think they look so cool. I love the H in the headlights. It's one of those distinctive things that you notice. I do believe this is a full, let me see here. Is it a full light bar? Yes. Okay, so it does glow. That's awesome. All right, I'll put it back to auto. Oh, look at this thing. MSRP of $51,739, ultimate red over black. Do have captains in the back, Bose sound system, dual moonroof, you can see up here. I believe that is a door for your gear tunnel, stuff like that. So you have a tie down. Oh, your rear AC. Oh, that's awesome. Because in the third row, you always feel left out because you don't have the AC controls. You have AC right there. You do have a wall outlet, everything. Oh, they thought of it all. Plenty of room here. In the glove box as well. 2 wireless chargers, which is awesome, with one being NFC capable. Do also have another storage bin right here. Suede headliner, 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 277 horsepower, 311 pound-feet of torque. Oh, wow. Memory seats, heads-up display. Before you comment anything, I do have permission to be in there. It's their storage lot. So it's just rule of thumb. Close this up every time I leave. All right. Couple different drive modes. You do have 4-wheel drive lock, snow, my drive, sport, normal. We will be in sport. Plenty of power. I do love the interior design. The fact, you know, Hyundai has really changed the game with their interiors and their cars. Back in 05, Hyundai was kind of, you settled for one. Now you want a Hyundai. This thing looks like a Land Rover, and we're looking at a pretty much fully loaded example, and it is half the price of a Range Rover, if not a third, because I think you can really option out a Range Rover to 150 easily. Yes, you're not a supercharged V8, whatever, but to have the look for half the price, I'd be hard pressed. This drives very well. I'm actually very impressed with this car. Nice house. Throttle response, brake pedal feel, they're all good. It's not instant response. In sport mode, the throttle is very, very responsive, so I do like that, but it's not unbearable. It is super comfortable. It's super quiet. I could stay in this thing for hours and be perfectly happy. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.